Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Ryobi Edger is probably one of the most convenient and efficient cordless lawn edgers on the market, offering a lightweight design, powerful battery, and clean cutting performance that makes lawn maintenance a breeze. In this video, we will do a complete review of this product, including its features, pros, cons, and of course, a demonstration. Number 5. Ryobi ZRP 2003A String Trimmer. This is the Ryobi ZRP 2003A, a powerful and versatile cordless string trimmer and edger. It's perfect for tackling tough weeds and creating clean edges around your lawn. It's designed to be lightweight and easy to maneuver, making yard work less of a chore. You'll appreciate its balanced design and comfortable grip. This trimmer runs on an 18-volt lithium-ion battery, sold separately. Enjoy the freedom of cordless operation and the long-lasting power of lithium-ion technology. It effortlessly transitions from trimming to edging, saving you time and effort. Get a professional-looking finish with minimal fuss. It's compact and easy to store, making it ideal for smaller yards or garages. This tool is a great addition to any homeowner's toolkit. Please note that this is a renewed product, meaning it has been inspected and refurbished to meet high-quality standards. It comes with a limited warranty for your peace of mind. What we like. It's a great option if you're on a budget and don't mind a renewed product. Its lightweight design makes it easy to handle for extended periods. If you are looking for an affordable and easy-to-use tool, this is a great choice for smaller yards or quick trimming tasks. What people say. I bought this specifically for its weight and ability to be used in tight spaces. It is light and straightforward to use. It works great for close use. It is light and straightforward to use. Plug in the battery under the handle, and you are good to go. Number 4. Ryobi 18V String Trimmer. Say goodbye to tangled cords and hello to effortless trimming. This cordless trimmer gives you the power you need for a perfectly manicured lawn. It's lightweight and easy to maneuver, making yard work a breeze. Yet it packs a punch, providing the power to tackle any trimming task. With a generous 10-inch cutting width, it covers more ground quickly. You'll get the job done faster and more efficiently. A full charge takes just 1 hour, minimizing downtime. Get back to work quickly and easily. It's part of the Ryobi One Plus system, meaning it's compatible with all your other Ryobi One Plus tools and batteries. This saves you money and simplifies your tool collection. Easily switch from trimming to edging with a simple adjustment. It's versatile and ready for any task. What we like. This one stands out with its impressively fast charging time. It's also compatible with other Ryobi One Plus tools, expanding its versatility. If you value convenience and have other Ryobi One Plus tools, this is perfect for you. What people say. Lightweight enough to enable you to do the whole yard without needing a break. The cord system is super easy to use. This is super lightweight and so easy to use. I love the feature of popping on a new spool of thread. It is easy to advance the thread and pop the battery on and off. Number 3. Ryobi P2008A String Trimmer Edger. This is the Ryobi P2008A 18V cordless string trimmer and edger. It's lightweight and easy to use, perfect for trimming your lawn and garden. See how easily it switches between trimming and edging. Its pivoting head makes transitioning a breeze, saving you time and effort. Get the precision you need with the variable speed trigger. It gives you complete control over the cutting speed for different tasks. It features an auto-feed string head with 0.080 inches. Twisted line. This ensures a consistent and reliable trimming experience. With its powerful motor and convenient features, it's ready to handle all your trimming and edging needs. Get yours today. Please note that the battery and charger are sold separately. Check your local retailer for availability. What we like. The pivoting head makes switching between trimming and edging a breeze. The variable speed trigger gives you precise control over the cutting action. If you need versatility and precise control, this is the one for you. What people say. I love the string trimmer feature, as I have many islands in my landscape. This trimmer is fairly lightweight, easy to use, and runs a surprisingly long time on one battery charging. I like the fact that this tool is part of the Ryobi One Plus battery arsenal. I have several tools from Ryobi that use this battery system. I had an old Ryobi trimmer, which lasted me 12 years. Purchased this, as I had batteries. I had been impressed by how well this unit trims, edges and cut. Number 2. Ryobi 18V Combo Kit. Get ready to experience the power and convenience of this Ryobi kit. It's a game changer for your yard work. This 13-string trimmer tackles tough weeds and overgrown grass with ease. Say goodbye to tedious manual trimming. It effortlessly transforms into an edger, giving you perfectly manicured lawn edges. Achieve professional results with minimal effort. The included blower clears leaves and debris quickly and efficiently. It's perfect for keeping your yard clean and tidy. The long-lasting 18V lithium-ion battery provides ample power for all your yard work needs. Enjoy cordless freedom and extended runtime. This kit includes everything you need: the trimmer edger, the blower, the battery, and the charger. It's ready to go right out of the box. What we like. This is a fantastic deal, offering both a string trimmer edger and a jet fan blower. It comes with the battery and charger, so you're ready to use it right out of the box. If you want convenience and a bonus tool, this is the best option. What people say. Each battery lasts about an hour. It works great. And how the line feeds is kinda handy. Just keep the throttle slow speed when walking to a spot if don't want a feed line. For a 18V weed whack-it, this is what I was hoping: enough power to do maintenance around yard. Number 1. Ryobi ZRP 2008A1 Plus String Trimmer Edger. This Ryobi ZRP 2008A1 Plus 18V cordless string trimmer and edger gives you the power you need for effortless trimming and edging. It's part of the Ryobi One Plus system, so you can use it with other tools in the series. It's lightweight and easy to maneuver, making it perfect for any landscaping job. Yet, it packs a powerful punch for tackling tough weeds and overgrown areas. This tool effortlessly transitions between trimming and edging, giving you the versatility to handle any task. You'll get clean, precise cuts every time. It's part of the Ryobi One Plus system, meaning you can use one battery across multiple tools. This saves you money and reduces clutter. This Ryobi ZRP 2008A1 Plus String Trimmer Edger is brand new, and comes in its original packaging. It includes all relevant accessories for immediate use. Please note that this is a tool-only purchase. The battery and charger are sold separately. Check out the Ryobi One Plus system for compatible power options. What we like. It's brand new and comes with all the accessories. You can expect reliable performance and a powerful cutting action. If you prefer a brand new tool with a solid warranty and powerful performance, this is for you. What people say. Easily converts to an edger that works very well. The cut is neat and clean. Just as good as a gas-powered in a medium-sized or on a medium-sized yard. I'm using all Ryobi and they're great tools and their batteries hold up. I have old 18Vs from 2002 and they're just now being replaced. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.